In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Suica on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have acquired a Suica card, attaching it to your Apple Wallet and using it alongside your iPhone is extremely simple. The process can be done directly through your Apple Wallet, and you will be able to manage the card, add balances necessary, and use your phone by simply placing it near any card reader whenever you are ready to board and use your Suica card. So first, on the home screen of the Wallet tab, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen and select to add a new transit card. Usually, people have to go through the transit card option first, but some users have reported that they can simply select Suica card. So if you see the Suica card option directly, if your region is set to Japan, just click on it or tap on it there. And alternatively, if you don't see it automatically, just go into transit cards like I mentioned. After you scroll down to the bottom of the list of transit cards, you will find Suica under the Japan region. So tap on Suica and you will be able to load the card with balance and make it ready to use alongside your Apple Wallet. Now, make sure that it has enough balance, properly attributed to your wallet, and as long as you see the card when you go back to the home screen of your wallet, it is now ready to use. Like I said in the beginning, by placing your phone near any card reader, it should scan the card and take the balance that is attached to it. You can add more balances necessary by tapping on the card and then selecting the Add Money option, and all the transactions that you make will appear automatically under the transaction history for that specific card. You can repeat this process if you have multiple cards for whatever reason or different cards from other transit companies. But for the most part, it is very simple to do, and all that you have to do, like I mentioned, is to tap the plus sign and go into transit cards to find Suica as one of the options. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Suica on an iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.